Hi guys, I'm back with a noetic math problem. This is the latest, April 3rd, 2023, the latest one. It was posted April 3rd, 2023. Okay, let's get started. As usual, you always know that I say that you should first read, then highlight, then solve. So, I hope you know that already. And in case you forget, these noetic problems, I like to do it with you guys, so maybe get a piece of paper and a pencil. And don't forget about an eraser, you might mess up. Or even I might mess up. Okay, let's get started. Change it to yellow. Okay. All of the following three scales are balanced. If objects with the same shape have the same weight, how much does the purple triangle weigh? Let's see here. What is important? Three scales are balanced, and if objects with the same shape have the same weight, and then how much does the purple triangle weigh is like not that much importance. It's just a normal question. How much does it weigh? The imposter. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I can draw a better one. Let's see here. Let's do purple, because it's purple. Imposter. Dun 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 dun. It's an imposter. Okay. I'll change mine to blue because it's my favorite color. This is what you actually should be doing. The second one, the third second, and then the first third. Funky order, I know. Just please don't get confused when I talk. Okay, green. And now we start. So, second and number one. Let's go. 24 grams divided by 3, because there's 3 pentagons. So, what is that? We big brains can easily solve it. And I hope you know it is 8. Okay, let's write it down here. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. So we know the pentagon equals 8. I'm not going to write G because I barely have any space. Just this much. Not even my pinky. Okay, the second. Okay, 30 grams here. I forgot to change the color. Uh-oh. Let's do this reddish orange color. Okay. We actually have to do 30 grams minus 8. So 30, I'm not going to write J, minus 8 equals, it's 22. Hey, here, look at this, 22. The answer is right there, given. Okay, now erase that. Now let's say this oval equals, oh wait, the oval does not equal 22. Because there's 2 oval, we have to divide 22 into half. So 22 divided by 2 equals 11. That is the answer. Hope you didn't forget that step. Ooh, it looks like a river if we fill it in with blue. Funky river. Just saying. It could happen. Okay, so now what color should we do? There's purple, violet actually. This red-orange. There's a pink. There's a light blue. There's a green. And there's a yellow. I'm just going to pick up, let's see here. I'll just pick up the yellow. Okay, let's go ahead and let's solve the last one. This is 26 grams. There's a pentagon, which we know is 8. And there's an oval, which we know it's 11. So we have to do addition right now. So we have to do 8 Oh, you guys can't see that, can you? It's very dull. Okay, guess I gotta change it to my favorite color. Oh yeah. Fun fact, blue is the most liked color in the world. Why is that light blue? That light blue looks different. Maybe it's because of the background color. So yeah, 8 plus 11 equals 19 is the correct answer. 19. Now we do 19 minus 26, which is, wait one sec, I have to write it. 26 minus 19 is the real one. Okay, let's get back to it, which is, let's see here. 10 billion years later. I'm kidding. It's like 1 second later, actually, equals 7. So, we know this imposter, the triangle imposter, equals 7. I guess blue's imposter now. Yeah. Okay, let's try to write. I'm gonna try to draw this Among Us guy now. Come on, Marker, don't fail me. Don't fail on me now. Seriously, you failed on me now. Okay, and my marker's not working. I guess I can try to put an emoji in the, let's see, in the video while we edit. I might decide to put an emoji of Among Us. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because it's the best. And you're going to be big brain, because it's bright brains. Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. And share this to everyone you know. Oh, yeah. Sus. Bye.